But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Rightio, welcome back to another episode. Today we are heading out into the bush and we're taking nothing but a knife, a hand line and a sleeping bag maybe. We're gonna head to Kmart and buy all our stuff for the trip. Let's see how we go. Let's see if we can survive. Mate, what the fuck have we gotten ourselves into? So what are you getting for tonight?
Alright, tonight, because of the weather conditions, we're going to need a tarp. I'm thinking of getting a fishing net if I have money left over. I'm going to need a sneaky sleeping bag to keep the old body warm.
Is this a BCF fucking sponsorship?
Yeah, BCF. Looking at you, buddy. Sponsor us, fuck ya.
Not actually going to BCF, but we're on a fucking budget today, 20 bucks. Let's see what we can get from Kmart to survive.
20 bucks?
I'm a bit nervous, I don't know what to get.
20 bucks is so bad.
I definitely don't.
Oh, straight to the fishing aisle.
I gotta get the food because you fucking don't have any and you don't have anything to catch food with.
Oi, just grab a net. That'll be enough to catch anything.
No, actually, I'll grab that.
Grab a net.
$6.50.
$6.50, alright.
I'd rather just like a big long.
Big long what?
Like reel.
Yeah. I'm sure that's what you were thinking, mate. That's what?
$5.
$5, alright. So you got $9.50 left.
Nice.
You got $9.50.
Fuck off, what?
Yeah.
What was...
The net was $6.50.
Oh,
yeah.
Wait, look at this.
Does it come with
Look
line?
at this, look at this.
£15. What are you catching?
Some fucking eels, mate.
Holy shit.
No, we'll go. No,
Wait,
we'll go
just
15.
get your fucking lighter
No.
trays.
It's a 15. What's
Alright.
that? What's that? $4.
$4? Alright, so what did I say?
$9.50 left.
No, I said that before. You take $4 off, you got $5.50 left. Oh, you're a cracky.
$5.50. I'll put the handle on back.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, then you got $9.50
So
left.
now I need some hooks. Look.
Are you just gonna use the line as your handrail? That's staunch.
Yeah, I'll just fucking chuck heaps out.
Yeah, word.
The more the better chance.
Now you need tackle.
Yeah, so...
Wait, honestly, if you just tie your line around a rock
No.
and then just buy the hooks.
Right there, so what's that?
No,
174.
there's brim packs. You can get brim packs. Yeah, here. Bloody whiting
want-
packs.
Look at that, mate. Big difference. We're surviving here.
Tell ya.
Now we're gonna get some little sinkers.
Mate, what if... Nah, think about this though. Because it's raining, streams are going to be going hard.
Get some bigger
So you need
sinkers.
some big boys. No, I'm talking... Wait, you may as well get the big ones because they're
Nah.
the same price as the small ones.
Because they'll get stuck in the rocks and shit.
Nah.
I don't want...
If anything, the little ones will because they're going to be moving
Nah,
in the
because
current.
then I got like... How many's that? 15 chances of catching something.
15 chances. Wait, you think about this. You've only spent your money on fishing shit. You got to think about other stuff as well, eh?
Nah.
If you're going to get the line and the hooks, you don't need the net. It's either...
Yeah, good call,
yeah.
good call.
You don't need the net. If you can...
Right.
Oi, oi. Beyblade.
Oh, let them rip.
Let them rip into the bust-ups of the dogs. Why is that in the fishing section?
So this is my food.
That's your food.
And then I'll just catch some shrimp or something
That
for
cooks
bait.
taste alright, mate. That's what, an eel?
Yeah. Just
That's
straight
so
in the
grim.
goals.
That's
Just
grim.
full-blown Aboriginal style, straight in the goals.
brother.
Yes,
Mate,
you-
what is it? Emergency poncho. I got the heavy duty one.
No, mate.
How much is that?
$2
$2.
and $5. What are you gonna pick?
I don't think we need the heavy duty one. That's for like fucking cyclones.
No. Fucking $2, mate.
$2,
That's all we need.
beauty. Are you gonna grab
No,
me
we
one
got-
or no?
Wait, isn't this like meant to be the leftover from the cyclone up north? Like the rain?
I have no idea.
So we might need the heavy duties.
How much
Right.
money do you have left?
I've still got $8 left.
$8.
I'm chilling.
Now you need to find something that's like spot on $8, like this. LED headset. A sleeping
Is there a
bag.
Woolies or Coles or something here? What are you zooming in on?
I don't know.
Wait, is there a Woolies or Coles or
I
something?
don't know.
Because I reckon get a roll of alfoil and maybe like a chicken breast, just for some bait.
Yeah, good call.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, sounds good. Off the Woolies, off the Coles. Alright, so it's the wrong one. Basically, we're going to Aldi now because D Doyd over here still has fucking $8. I just put my chair back because I believe that they sell sleeping bags for about $5. So hopefully
They're
they
not
do,
gonna have
otherwise we're
sleeping
coming
bags. We're definitely not coming back once we leave Aldi. We're leaving. Just gonna head into Aldi quickly, get the rest of our gear.
back. L&D.
All I'm getting is like hopefully a little bit of chicken or something and some alfoil to cook with. I'll see what we can do. Let's do it. At the moment we're meant to be surviving in the bush tonight with no food. Fingers crossed. There's the dam. No, they don't call it a rainforest for no reason. Straight up that one. Oh, big geezer, this big fella. G'day. Let's get you off the road. Oh, he's a big fella. Come on. Let's get you off the road. See him cruising off?
Oh yeah. Was he sitting on the road?
Yeah, he was literally right across the whole road.
Holy.
I pulled over. Good to see you, mate.
Yeah.
Lost you on the highway. This one's not so bad. Let's hope we can get back through tomorrow. The rain doesn't come up too high. And we made it. The water still looks fucking amazing. Still crystal clear, so hopefully we'll have a bit of a chance of getting a feed. Alright. This is the last time we'll see the old girl. Fingers crossed we survive.
And the dirty D40.
Oh, let's do it.
Alright.
We're hiking like deep up in there somewhere.
Right up there somewhere.
Find a spot for the night.
Got me white shoes.
Got me boots. I'm gonna have to take them off in a bit because there's a creek crossing up here.
Road ends. Oh, looks like we're gonna have to turn around, mate.
Yep.
Not today.
Might be able to catch a wallaby or a lyrebird or a satin bower
I hear
bird.
my lyrebird call.
There we go.
Whoa!
That was trash. We got to try keep our feet dry if we're staying here all night because we don't have spare socks or anything and this is sketchy. Rylan has spare socks but I don't. Oh, that one's wobbly. How you doing, mate? Yeah, good. There he goes. He's done. Beautiful though. Look how clear the water is and it's been pissing down. He's done it. starting to bucket down now. Luckily we're a bit sheltered, but I don't think for long. Beautiful. We just found a little cave. So this is our last little stop along the trip. My lens. This is our last little stop for the trip, this little cave. We're gonna hike all the way up to the top. We're gonna put our phone away in the waterproof bag because it's getting real wet. It's pissing down at the moment. So we'll see you when we get to our camping spot. Hopefully we can find one way down the creek. So this is what we're working with. We hiked all the way up here, like 2 hours into the bush. Got a waterfall up there, a waterfall just there, and a waterfall there. We're gonna keep going up that waterfall, but we're just gonna leave our bags here because this looks like a decent spot to camp. So we're gonna hike up there, see what we can find, hike down there, see what we can find. If there's nothing better, we're gonna set up right here and then go cliff jumping down over there. There's a leech on his ankle. Look on the other side. Is that one? No. There it is. Wait, that thing you just swiped was a leech.
Fuck off! What, this?
Right, our first challenge is to make it up this waterfall. Let's do it, mate. So this is what we've come up with so far. We've made a little platform. We're going to keep filling it in with sticks and then chuck some palm leaves over the top. And then I've started making the roof. We're just going to have 2 sticks coming up with the top down and then, yeah, coming over our little platform. This is going to be one uncomfortable sleep, but we'll see how we go. We've made our shelter just in time because it started pissing down and we're soaking wet. Have a gaze at that. This is us for tonight. We'll just fucking lay back. Fuck, this is gonna be uncomfortable.
Nah, if there's heaps of water, just...
You'll end up knocking the whole fucking thing down. She's a bit wet, but we're gonna try and hang out for as long as we can. This is a fucking survival challenge. Look at the mozzie.
I haven't got any mozzies yet, eh?
I've been getting smashed. Couple leech bites too. And the water is just there, so we've got to keep an eye out for flash floods. So I am absolutely soaked. We got fucking drenched when we were setting this up, but this is our little shelter. She's not bad. Keeping us dry. Inside view.
Right, so we got the fucking 2 bags here. We got a sleeping bag. My bag is the pillow. We got the fucking incense going. Couple of Doritos with dip. A hat stack. Got the umbrella to cover us from the rain that way. My poncho hanging up. Got some bloody palm leaves for installation. And there's a poncho there, and that's just a container with nothing in it. We got a light here. Fucking set up. All right, mate.
So this is us for tonight. I don't know how long we're gonna last because it's still raining at the moment, but we'll see how we go. The sun's starting to go down a little bit. We're gonna head down to one of the waterfalls and chuck out some eel lines, see if we can't catch a bit of dinner.
What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
I don't know. Oh, big eel!
Big eel? No way! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Yeah, baby! Holy shit! No way! Oh my god, that's huge! Just pull it up! Wrap the line around your hand. No! Fuck! That was such a nice eel.
Dinner gone, mate. Do a different hole or keep going in.
Oh, keep going here.
Yeah, we might have scared him though.
No, all good.
He snapped me off. I knew I should have got a bigger line.
Beautiful.
You'll know when it's cooked. It just needs to chew the chicken for a bit. Wait, that's tight. Don't let it go under that rock. Get him out of that rock. Yeah, he's taking you straight up under there. Oh, there he is, there he is. There he is. Get him up, get him up. Yeah, little fella, get him up. Take him over to the camp. Nice.
Yes!
There we go.
Shit. Oh. Shit. Yeah, lift him up, lift him up. Oh, where's the knife? Shit, it's in the bag. Go get the bag.
Put his head down.
What are you doing?
No! Fuck! We lost it! No! That's our second lot of dinner. Where? Oh!
He's under the rock. Wait, I'll try and fish him here.
It's not looking good for dinner tonight. We just caught a little eel out of this pool. I went to go kill him and he slipped through my fingers, so no dinner yet. We'll keep trying. That's 2 down. See if we can't get another. We're in our little fort. We're soaking wet because it's been raining all afternoon.
And midgies and
Midgies, mozzies, leeches all over us. We're pissing out blood. Missed 2 eels, so we got no dinner for tonight. We won't be eating.
Won't be eating, got no food.
So yeah, we're just gonna wait for the sun to finally go down and we'll see how we go.
We might fish along the way.
Might see how I feel in an hour or so if we want to go for a fish, but these mozzies are just getting to us, so
I heard.
yeah.
Not liking these mozzies at all.
We'll see you then.
Here, oh, there's 3. Another one down there.
Another one at the back.
Look at this fucker.
At the back on your heel. Do a spin, I'll tell you if you got any. Yeah, one at the back there. Spin on the other leg. Nah, you're sweet.
Oh no, hang on, where is he? Yeah, this one.
Oh my god, he has had a big meal. He's coming back for more. Squeeze him and he'll be full of blood. What I'm more worried about is when I take my shirt off and if there's any leeches on me there. We didn't make it the whole night. We were fishing for eels, we didn't get anything, so we had no dinner. We laid down for a bit and I think I fell asleep for like half an hour.
I stayed up for about 20 more minutes and then I passed out.
It just started bucketing down rain, so we just packed up all our crap as quick as we could and raced back to the car. We didn't survive.
We're both drenched.
We're both soaking wet.
I literally took
drenched.
off and 15 leeches.
Of his foot.
15. 1, 2.
As moral of the story, don't try and survive in the rainforest when it's meant to be fucking pissing down rain.
Honestly, it was good throughout the day, and then as soon as night hit, fucking it was so... Yeah, and then on the way back we tried to fish a little bit, Didn't do too
Nothing.
fucking not much luck there.
So right now we are gonna race home and go zing on. Go get a zinger box.
A fucking large zinger box.
We deserve it. We tried.
Look, at the end of the day, it was a survival challenge. It's
Yeah.
not you have to stay in the fucking forest.
So we're surviving by going to KFC and getting a feed so we don't starve to death. Yeah, I'm ready for bed. That being said, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.